Hey friends, just a closer look at this Titan Deep Freeze. This is the Arctic Zone. It's a little small cooler, but it's got a nice hard shell with a soft exterior. And there are some really awesome features that make us really like this thing. So obviously we've got a few pockets here in the front. You've got a mini pocket with zippers. You've got a larger pocket here where you can store things. And then you have some net cargo areas on either side of the bag. We also have a nice back saver strap that moves and unfurls, and actually you can throw around your shoulder. But the really cool stuff comes up top here. This is a zipperless cold lock. And as you can see, it's got a little Velcro piece that straps it down. But once you lift this up, there's no zipper. It basically just pops right open, and then you have your cooling area. Now this down here is the Smart Shelf. This allows you to store maybe cold cuts or different things that need to keep cool and keep ice at the bottom. And that way, if the ice does melt, you're not gonna have your stuff just slogging around in wet water. Again, it's such a cool little feature. As you can see, if I take this out, it's fairly deep. This holds multiple sodas or multiple items that you do need to keep cool. And again, it's a great little day pack for keeping things fresh. Definitely some cool features for these Titans. We really like them. Thumbs up from us.